up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and tell me what you would like to see in the future. So today we have my beautiful friend Alexis. I grew up with her. She's a couple years younger than me, but still my sis or whatever. So today we're doing a frontal wig install using a wig that I made her using hair from my vendor or whatever. And yeah, so I made the wig, I dyed it red, I plucked it and stuff before she came, and now we installed it. So the first thing I did was clean her hairline off with witch hazel, and then I slicked her edges back with some got-to-be glue, and now I'm putting her cap on. I cut the little holes around her ears. That helps the cap lay better, and then I sewed the back down, and then I'm gonna spray it with some freeze spray so that you know it can lay. And y'all, my can is broken, so like please disregard that. Like somebody broke my stuff. Like I don't know who did it, because I know I didn't do it. So I think it was my boyfriend or my baby, but I certainly did not break it. But yeah, that's why I spraying all willy-nilly. And then I just sat her under the dryer for like 5 minutes with it on cool. Y'all, I bought this from Sally's. It was like $100, and I ordered it online because the Sally's out here was boarded up, y'all. The one I be going to, I tried to go and it was boarded up, but it's back open now. I think they doing curbside pickup, but yeah, they wasn't around this time. I recorded this video like at the beginning of May. Yeah, like May 1st. So yeah, I recorded this a while ago, but yeah, I just sat her under the dryer, and then now I'm cutting the excess cap off. And before I did that, I put Ruby Kisses makeup on it. It's like cream foundation or something from the beauty supply. It's like $5. And I think this one is the number 12, and I used the lighter shade in the duo or whatever. And yeah, so I'm just cutting the excess cap off, and then I was using, y'all, my elbows are so ashy. Please act like y'all did not see that. Like when y'all see it, act like y'all don't see it. But anyways, I just took some freeze spray on a popsicle stick to like melt down any parts that wasn't melted, you know, that got pulled up when I was pulling off the excess cap. And then you want to put this like kind of in front of her hairline. Like we can go way in front of hers because she got a big forehead. No offense, Alexis, love you to death. But you got like, that's good for frontals because like her edges are protected, because we could put it like on her forehead instead of, you know, like on her edges. Like she got a good forehead for frontals. So yeah, I'm just cutting around her ears, and that's so that the wig could fit comfortably. And then like you gotta cut it good around the ears so that it don't be like lifting and stuff. And then I cut it in sections because like I said, I'm a beginner, so it's easier for me to do it this way so that I can see like what I'm doing and prevent mistakes. Although I still did make a mistake and get some glue like on a part that there wasn't the frontal on. So yeah, y'all gotta be careful. Like keep checking like when you putting the glue, and put the, you know, like put the wig like above the glue to see if, you know, like if it's in the right spot and stuff. Just be checking it, y'all. Excuse me, I'll be honest. But yeah, so I'm just putting 4 layers of glue. I'm using lace grip. Apparently this is the glue that Arrogant Tay uses. Like I've heard that, and I think it's like a video with him on here where he did somebody hair and he was using that. But y'all, I'm not sure, don't hold me to it. But I used 4 layers of that. I learned that from Slay by Jordan on YouTube. I love watching his videos because, you know, he do his thing or whatever. But yeah, at first I was using like 3 layers, and I don't know, like it wasn't like, you know, a good melt or like a good hold. And I was using Ghost Bond glue, y'all. I don't really like that glue. Like it's decent, but I like this one better. So I just do 4 layers, and then between each layer I blow dry it till it's clear, then put another layer, and then you know, repeat the process. And yeah, so that's just what I'm doing right here. Like I said, y'all, I am a beginner, so this is like the side that I messed up on. Y'all gonna see it in the end, or y'all probably saw it like in the intro, but it wasn't that bad. But y'all, I'm a perfectionist, so that kind of blew me, but I'm still perfecting my craft. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see, because I have more time to make videos, y'all, because I quit my job. I quit my job so I can make and install wigs full time, so I could wax full time, so I could do makeup full time. Because working 80 hours a week for like a check that's not like I could be making way more doing this full time than working a job. And I was noticing that, because I was doing both at the same time, and I was making my check like times 3, times 4, just by making wigs and taking clients. So I decided to quit, y'all. So way more content, because I'm always be installing wigs and stuff. So I'm gonna just record when I do wigs, when I do makeup, like stuff that I'm already doing anyway. So I might as well just film it for y'all and post it up. So yeah, I finished putting the glue and putting her frontal down. So at first I tied it down and then sprayed the lace tint. Then I was like, hold on, let me spray the lace tint and then tie it down. So that's what I did. And I learned this trick from Hair by Erica J. She did that on her channel. So I tried it, and this was my first time trying it actually, and it came out really good. Yeah, I got the lace tint from the same place that I bought the lace glue. I think I bought like the sample kit. I don't know if they sent me the sample kit, because the bottles are pretty big, and I've had these for a while, since like last year. But I haven't been using them, y'all. I just really started using it because like I was trying to spray it on the lace before, you know, like spraying on the lace and blow drying it and stuff. But I think it works better when you put the wig on their head and then spray the lace and then tie it down and sit them under the dryer. And I probably set her under the dryer for like 15-20 minutes with it on high heat. And then now I'm gonna do her baby hairs. And y'all, I don't like a whole lot of baby hairs. Some people like that. I don't like a whole lot of baby hairs. So I just did 3 on one side and 2 on the other side. And then, like I said, I'm a beginner, y'all. I can't really do baby hairs like that, but I be trying. I'm getting better. Like, the more I do it, the better they turn out every time. So, I'm using Care wrapping foaming wrapping lotion. I don't know. Something. It's one of them. Is how you say it. But yeah, so I use that in a comb. I probably should have used the edge comb, but I just be using a regular comb. Like, I use whatever is right there. I've just put some more glue to stick down that little part that wasn't glued down. But look how good that looks, y'all. Look how good it looks. It looks so good. It looks like it's coming out of her scalp. And then you can kind of see the spot where it's some glue at, but not that much. You can't really see it till I do her makeup, but it looks so good, y'all. I was so proud of myself for this, because I'm getting so much better with frontals. And if you want to see like more pictures and videos of this, you can look on my Instagram. My Instagram is in the description box. Ooh, I look so rough in this video, y'all. Please disregard that, please. So then I just tie her edges down. I put her under the dryer again for like only like 5 minutes. And then now I'm about to part her hair off and curl it. And I'm gonna take my wax stick from Care. It's the bomb, y'all. It's like $25, but it lasts me a long time. And yeah, so I use that to you know, press out her edges and make the part sleek. And then now I'm spraying, turn up the heat. Beyond the Zone spray. It's like a heat protectant, and it's like it make your hair look like really good. And I put BioSilk too, y'all. And then I'm using my Babyless Pro titanium curling iron. I think this one was the 1 inch. I got a 1 inch and I think like a 1.5 inch. And yeah, so I'm just doing that through her whole head, and I pinned it up with some pins so that, you know, the curls could be like really curly. I loved how this came out. She was scared to do red, but it looks so good on her. So good. She was scared to do blonde. I made her do blonde. She was scared to do red. I convinced her. Next, she said we doing blue, a dark blue. That's gonna be fine. I can't wait to do that. And of course, I'm gonna film it for y'all. Maybe I'll film that whole one, like making the wig, dyeing it, installing it, and doing her makeup again. This is for her birthday, and she looked great. Like, y'all gonna see when I take the little wrap thing off. Like, this came out so good. Like, I'm so proud of myself because I'm a beginner, and like I've been trying to do frontals for a while now, and it's like I'll do one and then I wouldn't like it, so I wouldn't do another one for a while. But another thing I noticed with that is like the lace. So the lace from my vendor is like really, really good. Like, I noticed like some people, like my old vendor, like they have like a light brown lace. Like, it looks like, well, I don't know, 'cause my old vendor lace wasn't that great. But like other hair that I've, like people when they drop their hair out to me to make them a wig, and then if I get them an install, like sometimes the lace be looking like gray on their skin, and I don't know how to correct a gray lace because, like I said, I'm a beginner, I'm not an expert, and I don't be liking how it be looking. So I need help with that, but I feel like, yeah, that's why people need like HD frontals or like transparent, because this was a transparent frontal and the lace was like really, really good on it, like really good. Because it's expensive. Like, my vendor is very expensive, but it's worth it. Worth it because this came out so good. Like, I love the lace. Yeah, I'm just rambling at this point, y'all. But the video is almost over. I hope y'all stuck with me to the end. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, y'all. Tell me what y'all thought in the comments. Tell me what y'all want to see in the future from me. And since I did quit my job, like I said, guys, videos more often. I know I say that on every video, but now I don't have a choice. I gotta grind. I have to grind, y'all, because I've always wanted to do YouTube since I was in high school. And I started a couple times, but I never stuck with it. But this time, I'm sticking with it. I got hella people on my side that's rooting for me. I mean, not that I didn't before, but like now it's even more. And now I feel like this is what I should be doing. I should be doing wigs and doing makeup and stuff and filming it and posting it for everybody to see, because everybody always asking me for tips on stuff. And yeah, it's mainly my Facebook family. I do these for y'all. But I'm bringing my talents elsewhere because Facebook keep blocking me, y'all. I'm blocked on Facebook right now for 30 days. I'm gonna make another video on that. It's gonna be a get ready with me, so y'all can finally see my face and get to know me and my personality and stuff. Because in real life, I'm really funny as hell. I mean, but y'all can tell that from my voiceover. But anyway, this is the end of the video, y'all. I hope y'all liked it. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see like more pics of this, it's gonna be on my Instagram, y'all. I also did her makeup. That's gonna be a part 2. Stay tuned for that. And peace.